Hi, hope you are doing great. My name is Jyoti and a few days back, I cleared my PMP with above target in all domains. Yay! Thank you. If you are also a PMP aspirant, this video is for you. I have planned the video in two different sections. One, do's and don'ts before exam. Second, tips during exam. So let's start with do's and don'ts of how to take the exam. Okay, so the first thing is I booked an offline exam. I strongly recommend you to do the same. It will help you to be more focused, and if any problem, or I must say unknown risk appears, the risk will be transferred automatically. And there is no difference in the examination fees for online or offline, so why not go for offline? Sleep well before exam. Do not try to revise everything on the last day, just formulas. Try to book the dates on weekdays and timing according to your choice. But I prefer 10 a.m. so that I will not be in a hurry to wake up super early. Fourth point is reach the center at least half an hour before so that you can have some float, and also because the center may not allow you to give the exam if you will be more than 10 minutes late. Relax yourself. I listen to my fast dance song so that I am fully charged and confident. Sixth, switch off your mobile before entering the examination center. Seventh, take physical ID proof. Do not think of digital locker will help, because only thing that you will be carrying all the time with you will be your ID proof and locker key. So keeping an ID proof is must, and I carried my passport, and you can take PAN card or driving license as well, but it should resemble your photo. The person in your team, Noida branch, I met was very polite and professional. As the procedure, your photo will be taken, and after verification, they will hand you over the keys to locker. Now listen to it carefully. If you are carrying anything, your bag, purse, mobile, watch, pen, paper, specs case, you have to deposit it in the locker. You cannot take anything with you. I will recommend that before entering the examination room, not the examination center, go and refresh yourself, because once you're in, you cannot come out until you will submit your first part of test. If you have any questions in this section, do not hesitate to put them in comment section. I will try to revert them as soon as possible. Now your next section is tips during exam. Now you will carry your ID card and locker key with you and enter the examination center. There are some security protocol you have to follow, like they will make sure if your specs are normal or not. Your pockets are empty, and are you carrying anything? To clean your specs during exam, I requested some napkins and they provided them. So kind of them. They provided 2 pens and 1 laminated sheet for practice. So you are not allowed to rub anything from that sheet. So take care. One important thing that I did wrong was carried a mask that was too tight, and you're not allowed to take that to your mask during the exam. So look yourself into the mirror before leaving the house and ask if you're comfortable in this dress and accessories. Remember, you cannot take the watch. You are not allowed. One friend of mine told me that he was not allowed to take out his rings and held them and have to keep them aside. So do not carry anything that you have or you may want to take out during the exam. There are few guidelines that appear on the screen about examination software. I recommend you should see and not skip. These are the instructions to tell you how to put flags on the questions for which you are not sure, how to use a calculator, and how to use a highlighter. This time will not be included in the paper, so you must go through it. Now, if the test has started, you can only submit it once 60 questions are done. Allow me to repeat, not 60 minutes, 60 questions. Before submitting the software, we'll ask you to review the questions you have flagged. Now listen carefully. After submitting, you cannot go back to those questions. That part is submitted, it's gone. Don't think that the part means some special domain. Every part is a mix of all three domains. Similarly, the test is divided into 3 different parts, 60 questions each and 10 minutes break in between. Now as you submit it, you can take 10 minutes break and you must take it. That will not be counted. You can have some drink, you can take a bite or whatever you want to do. You can raise your hand and somebody will escort you out of the examination room. They will enter the details and you can have your break. Now the point to be noted here is, do not put food and water in the bag. You are under surveillance. So if the camera will judge that something suspicious is going on and you're taking something out of the bag, it may create a problem. Now you can go back and you can start your test. Somebody will again test you and take you to the examination room. The most important tip in the exam is to manage your time properly, because nobody will tell you that the time is done. So you have to be careful. But I know you can do it. I myself tried to cover most of the part, but if you have any queries, do not hesitate to put them in the comment section. I will try to answer as soon as possible. Also, if you like the topic, if you have any topic that is disturbing you, please feel free to put that also in the comment section. I will really appreciate it if you'll give me a thumbs up. So keep motivated. All the best. Enjoy and improve.